You know, when you're getting plants like this and you're wondering, okay, do I need to repot it into a bigger pot? Do I need to put it in something where its roots can grow? One way to tell is to look at the bottom of the pot. So if you see that the roots are starting to come out of the bottom of the pot, then it's time to either move it to a bigger area or to a bigger pot. So here we have two different cabbage plants. This one was planted the second week of January, and this one was planted on February 1st. And so this one has been planted, we seeded it about 6 weeks ago. This one was seeded 2 weeks ago. And I just want to show you the difference in the root systems at 2 weeks versus 6 weeks. You can see at 2 weeks that the plant is still very fragile. It doesn't have a lot of root development quite yet. It's got a good start. I can see several different roots coming out, but in 6 weeks, you can tell that this plant is ready to move out to your garden, where at 2 weeks, it's still very fragile. Any kind of wind, hard rain, anything like that will hurt this plant.